Well, hi campers yet again. On the plus side, the pond is starting to clear a little. On the negative side, the wallet still hasn't turned up, so the money for the grow and show is lost. I've contacted Jack, it's the Balding Reefers Grow and Show for the Goskies, and basically unless I sell my tickets I'm going to lose my deposit. So I've got 2 fish in the Grow and Show. The £25 deposit is paid. That means there's £50 on each fish to collect on the day. As I said, all the money I had for the Grow and Show, the petrol money, everything was in my wallet. So I've got 3 options. Just forget it and lose 50 quid. Sell the entries for the fish off for the 25 quid deposit I've paid, and then people pay the additional 50 on the day, or I try and sell another 1,000 quid's worth of stock between now and Friday, because that's how much I'd need to sell to make what I need. So basically I need to sell a Nexus between now and Friday to make that's on top of what I would usually sell, to make enough to be able to zip up there on Friday. I don't know. If you're interested in buying the Grow and Show entries, put your name below. I'll see how the sales go this week, and make a final decision Thursday or Friday on what I'm going to do. The Grow and Show's at A-class Koi, which I believe is in Worcestershire, and you've got to be there at 10 o'clock on Saturday, with the picking of the fish at 11 o'clock. Suffice to say, I'm not putting my face on here because I look like a wet weekend in Skegness, although the weather is absolutely beautiful here at the minute. Yeah, so just one of those things, I guess. That's my Father's Day weekend fun out the window by the look of it. But if anyone does want to go and buy some stuff off my website, it'd be much appreciated. I've then got the additional problem of how to actually, I'd have to go to the bank during banking hours and draw out cash. But yeah, I'm feeling a little bit flat at the minute after the high of the Reefers auction and all the rest of it, and various other bits and pieces I've been doing to help some people out. I'm just feeling really down in the dumps. Sorry guys, I'm just not feeling it at the minute. So yeah, I wish you all a very good week, and we'll see where we go from there. And it's not even so much the money and the cards and all that sort of stuff, or even the hassle of having to get driving licence and everything else. When my little lad was about 3 weeks old, he nearly died. And I spent, I don't know, 7-8 days in the hospital, not knowing if he was going to live or die. I literally lived at the hospital. And his little armband, it was a footband at that time, that was on him, I kept, and that was in my wallet. I don't care about the rest of it, but I'd really like to get that back. Why did I put it in my wallet? I guess I just wanted to keep it with me. But yeah, I'm gonna go. I'm getting a bit emotional now. It's just gutting. I just hope someone has the decency to hand it in. I've checked with the police, it's not the police station. I've checked at the shop that I last used it at, it's not there, so God knows what I've done with it. But I'm just feeling really flat and gutted. Yeah, the big fella has got emotions after all.